New at 4, the Marion County Sheriff's Office being hit with yet another lawsuit. People now have filed lawsuits claiming they were being wrongfully detained and talking about the quality of care for inmates. However, the most recent lawsuit now is from a former deputy who resigned from his position back in 2021. TV20's Deja Clayton is live at the Ocala Bureau now. So Deja, what can you tell us about this latest case?
Well, Robert, I spoke with former Deputy David Ertz, and I spoke with his attorney, and she tells me that the lawsuit was just filed 12 days ago. Mary Maddox, a law firm in Tallahassee, is handling his case. Maddox says former Deputy David Ertz started reporting comments made to him by his Sergeant Timothy Liberatore around October in 2020. Maddox tells me Ertz says he reported inappropriate comments made by Sergeant and they began to retaliate. The inappropriate comments were about him telling Ertz that he was a little dark and that he would be moved to work out of Reddick to contend with the monkeys. Ertz thought this was a racially driven comment and reported this. His attorney, Marie Maddox, says shortly after this, retaliation began, and he was confronted with about 16 to 18 charges over time. Some of the charges were from Ertz not using his body camera properly and not writing a report properly.
They responded by flipping the script, and rather than investigating Liberatore for his misconduct, then it became a problem with Mr. Ertz.
I reached out to MCSO for a comment, and Public Information Officer Paul Bloom says they cannot comment on active lawsuits and that Sergeant Liberatore was not named in this investigation and was not considered for discipline and remains an active employee. But at 5 and 6, hear from another attorney at Marie Maddox who is handling another former employee's lawsuit against MCSO. Live in the Ocala Bureau, Deja Clayton, TV20 News.